Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still Empress Graphics. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how to install your fonts, your downloaded fonts into Pixellab for those that are having difficulty in doing that. So I'll be showing you the things you need to do. Now the first thing is to go to your browser. You type the fonts, then enter and search for it. So this is it, the first one. This is the DaFont website. When you get here, you click on the website, click on it. It opens. This is how DaFont looks like. So the next thing you need to do when you get to this website, we have categories, different categories of fonts you want to download. So we have fancy ones. Under fancy, you have cartoon, comic, groovy, old school, curly, and the rest. We have foreign look, we have techno, we have bitmap, we have gothic, basic, script, dingbat, and holiday. So it depends on the kind of font you want to download. So let's take, for example, I'm downloading basic fonts. So under basic fonts, let me click on sans serif. Let's see what it will give us. So this is it. This is sans serif fonts. Fonts under sans serif. So I'm going to be downloading this one. There's a one I saw here. Sleeky Bohem. Sleeky Bohem. This one. I'll be downloading Sleeky Bohem, which is this. I'll be downloading this. So I'll go to my download. I click on download. The file has downloaded. As you can see, the file has downloaded. So after that, you head over to your file manager. Click on your file manager. Every phone has unique file managers, so click on yours. In my own phone, I can find that font that I just downloaded in two ways. I can find it either through this compressed. If I click on this compressed, I will see it, or I can also see it through this internal storage. So let me show you. This is the compressed. Are you seeing a Sleeky Bohem zip file? This is where it is. Then in case you don't have compressed, you can enter into your internal storage, go to your download, then search for Sleeky Bohem. So this is the file. You've seen it now. So you click on it. These are the things that came with the zip file. The first one is the picture, how the font looks like. The second one is the PDF file of the font, but we don't need them, so I deselect. Then click the main font, which is the third one, and then extract with the same name. So this is it. After extraction, I'm going to put it into a folder that can be easy to locate. So I'll move it to a folder. I'll create a new folder and then move it to that folder. So I have to go back to my internal storage. This is my internal storage, then create a new folder and write sans serif fonts, so I can locate it easily. Then I'll create it, open it, and then move it here. So the Sleeky Bohem is now under sans serif fonts. Then after that, you move over to your Pixellab. So this is your Pixellab. This is what you have. The text is already highlighted. You go to your letter A, which is the text. Then move over to your fonts. So fonts, these ones are the fonts that came with Pixellab. Then these ones are the ones I've downloaded. So I've downloaded a lot of fonts already. I have a lot of fonts that I downloaded. So you click here to add the fonts you just downloaded. You click on this icon here, the first icon here. So when you click here, you look for, so you can see it here. You can see the sans serif. You can see the sans serif fonts here. So you click on it. Look at the Sleeky Bohem, we have it here. Click on the box, it will mark good. Then you come down and click on add selected. So it has been added. Then as I have so many fonts here, instead of me to start scrolling down, I will simply type Sleeky Bohem. So this is the font, and this is it, Sleeky Bohem fonts. So like that, you can also import other fonts that you have through your file manager. So I have one more font there. That one is downloaded already. So this is one more font that I have with cream cake. Okay, let me do this. So this is cream cake. You can see so many things that came with cream cake bold, cream cake B, cream cake. So it's not only one font. We have cream cake, we have cream cake bold. So two fonts here. They select the one that are not necessary, like the pictures, and extract the main fonts. Select both of them and move. Let me move it to that sans serif. Sans serif. So I can locate it easily. Open it, move here. So it's here already. Go over to your Pixellab. Click on it, your fonts. Click on this place, sans serif fonts. So you can see it. This is cream cake bold and cream cake. Then you add them. So when you search cream cake, you can see it. This is cream cake bold. This is cream cake. So we have cream cake bold. So that's a simple way you can install your fonts in Pixellab. I hope you loved the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, you can share, you can comment, and click on the bell button to get notifications on my next videos.